How to see who visited your Instagram profile. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to see who visited your Instagram profile. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into the Instagram app on my phone. Then when I'm on my Instagram app, then I will need to click right here. Now I'm going to just find a random image to post. Keep watching because I will explain why this is important. When I've found the photo, then I'm going to click right here. Now when I've posted that image to my story, then I'm going to just wait for a minute or two. So now when I waited, then I'm going to click right here again. And you can see here in the left corner, here you will be able to see which people have actually seen your story. But what you want to do is to click right here. I'm going to hide the profiles just for their privacy, but what you want to do is to look here who has watched your story, and if you see somebody that are not a follower of you, then basically you know that this specific person has come to your profile and then clicked on your story. So then you know that that specific person has visited your Instagram profile and then clicked on your story because they are probably curious about you. So this is exactly how to see who visited your Instagram profile. Let me know in the comments below if you have questions. I will try to answer to as many as I can, so don't hesitate to ask. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you a great day.